Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to talk about the interview questions and answers basic questions, right? And before proceeding this, I would like to tell you that if you are interested in such types of the videos, right, you can subscribe my channel and stay tuned over here because I used to upload such type of videos, right? Similar videos are there, right? You can watch this. No, all videos are created to keep in mind for the interview purpose, right? You can explore all these things. You can see the interview questions and answer videos are there, and all are related to the question and answer for the interview perspective. Okay. All right. So today, just we are going to talk about this question and answer, and this question and answer will be basics, right? Sometime L1, L2 or level interview happens, and the interviewer asks a question on the basic level. Or if you're going to participate the interview for any other technology storage like EMC, IBM, HP, Hitachi, right? So interviewer expect some knowledge on the NetApp as well. So in that scenario, the interviewer can ask the very basic questions, and you must be aware about that, right? And this interview question and answer will be for the administration level. Right? So this is an NetApp storage administration questions and an answer. Right? The first question is what is ONTAP? Okay, so ONTAP is a NetApp storage operating system that provide the unified storage management for NAS, SAN, and object storage, supporting features like Snapshot, Snapmirror, SnapVault, deduplication, compression, and clustering. Okay, all right. Next question is what are the protocols are supported by NetApp? Okay, NetApp support NAS, SAN, and object. In the NAS, it support NFS and SMB SIPs protocols. In the SAN, it support iSCSI and fiber channel protocols. In the object storage, it support S3. Okay, ONTAP S3 protocol. Right? Okay, the next question is what is storage virtual machine? And storage virtual machine SVM is a logical storage container in the ONTAP that provides data access, security, multi-tenancy, and management for NAS and SAN clients. Right? Each SVM has also its own volume, lifts, and protocols. Right? So SVM is the owner of the volume and the lifts. Right? Next question is difference between node cluster and SVM. What are the differences between what are the difference between node cluster and SVM? Answer for this question is node is a physical controller. This is unit, right? And NetApp normally sell the nodes in HA pair. Okay, so there will be one chassis and two controllers will be there in that chassis. So node is a physical controller. Cluster is basically a group of the nodes, and all the nodes works together, same cluster. SVM SVM is a logical storage entity serving the data to the client. Right? Okay. What is an aggregate? So an aggregate is a pool of the physical disk or SSDs, and volumes are created inside the aggregate. So aggregate, the disks are associated into RAID groups, and RAID groups are assigned to a aggregate. Yes, a collection of disks is aggregate. This is a logical pool. Right? So when we create an aggregate, we have a multiple RAID, and we have multiple RAID types are also there. So we have a RAID 4, we have a RAID DP, and we have a RAID Tech. Next question is what is volume? The answer of this question is a volume is the logical storage unit created inside an aggregate, and it is presented to the client via SAN or NAS. Right? So volume in the architecture, volume is the lowest level in the architecture which hold the client data. Whatever client save the data that goes into the volume. Okay, so what are the differences between flex wall and flex group? Flex wall is the traditional volume and it has some limitations in the size, right? And flex group is can be scaled horizontally and used for the large data set and high, right? And it can span over all the nodes. Okay, what is junction path? A junction path in the is a junction path is the mount point of the NAS volume in the SVM namespace, right? So junction path is a newer term in the cluster and it has a path. That path can be mounted on the server, right? What is a LUN? LUN stands for the logical unit number and it is a block storage object presented to a server by iSCSI. We create a LUN and we can present. Okay, so what are the differences between NAS and SAN? So NAS has a file level access, SAN has a block level access. NAS has a NFS and SMB protocols, and SAN support iSCSI fiber channel protocol. NAS is very easy to manage, while SAN has a high performance. What is the iSCSI? Answer for this question is iSCSI is a SAN protocol that uses TCP/IP for transport iSCSI command over. Okay. So iSCSI is a protocol which provides the block level storage and it has a port 3260. Interviewer normally asks the question, what is the port number for the iSCSI? Okay, so port for the iSCSI through 3260. Okay. What is the initiator and target? Initiator, the client server requesting to storage. Target is a NetApp storage system. Provide the LUN to the server. What is snapshot? A snapshot is a read-only point-in-time copy of a data. Our data means active file system, right? It is a space efficient and does not impact the performance. And it is getting created inside the ball. So if we are talking about the snapshot, we are talking the snapshot at the volume level. Okay. Aggregate level snapshot is also supported. But in general, if you're going to work as an NetApp storage administrator, right? So the snapshot we are going to talk about, you're going to manage the snap the volume level. What is SnapMirror? SnapMirror is a protection technology that is used for the replication and disaster recovery. Okay. Replicating data from source to destination system. Okay. So the SnapMirror is being used for the data protection and DR solution. So what is the difference between SnapMirror and SnapVault? Snap is a DR solution. Okay, SnapMirror has a DR and real-time replication happens. And SnapMirror has synchronous and asynchronous replications are there, right? And SnapVault is a backup. It is a backup technology. SnapMirror DR technology. SnapVault is a backup technology. If I want to replicate our data, I want to save that long time data, right? I can replicate. So that is a backup. SnapVault is a backup technology. SnapMirror DR solution. What is sync mirror? A sync mirror is also a protection technology. A sync mirror provides the RAID level protection by mirroring aggregate across to disk pool, right? What is deduplication? Okay, in the next slide we are going to talk about. Okay, so what is the deduplication? Compression, and then compaction. Answer for this question is deduplication, compression, and compaction are the storage efficiency feature of the NetApp. Right? Deduplication remove the duplicate blocks, saving storage space. Right? Compression reduce the data size by encoding the data more efficiently. Compaction packs a small I/O block together to improve storage efficiency. Alright, guys. So thank you very much. These are the basic questions. Very soon I'm going to upload few more videos for the interview, right? Prospecting, right? So stay tuned, right? These are the basic questions, right? So I provide the NetApp storage training, online training, right? If you're interested to join, right? If you want to make your career, if you want to do the mastery on the NetApp storage, right? Then you can join our batches, right? And you can explore that. You can just contact on this number 96425 18547. You can explore this website as well. In this website, I have mentioned all the details are there. You can explore there, right, guys? I have WhatsApp group as well. You can join that, right? And the group WhatsApp group details links are there in the below, right, in the description. You can find that, right? So that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much. Stay tuned and good luck.